Ever since the dawn of the automobile, the open-top Roadster has been the ultimate symbol of driving freedom. The wind in your hair, the roar of the engine, the pure connection between driver, machine, and road. For decades, this experience has been dominated by the symphony of internal combustion engines. But what if the future of the Roadster is silent, yet more explosive than ever before? Enter the 2026 Polestar 6. This isn't just another electric car. It's a statement. It's Polestar's vision for a high-performance electric future, and it's set to redefine what we expect from a supercar. Let's rewind a bit. This stunning machine started its life as the Polestar 02 concept. When it was first revealed, the automotive world collectively gasped. It was bold, futuristic, and unapologetically beautiful. The design was so well received, the public demand was so overwhelming, that Polestar made a decision that is rare in the auto industry. They decided to put the concept directly into production, and thus, the Polestar 6 was born. They even launched a special LA Concept Edition, limited to just 500 units, which sold out in a week. That tells you everything you need to know about the hype surrounding this car. So, what makes the Polestar 6 a potential supercar slayer? Let's talk numbers, because they are absolutely staggering. Polestar is targeting an output of 884 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. Let that sink in. This comes from a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup built on a brand-new, bonded aluminum platform developed in-house by Polestar in the UK. This isn't just a repurposed chassis. It's bespoke architecture designed for ultimate rigidity and performance. With that much power on tap, the acceleration is, as you'd expect, brutal. Polestar is aiming for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.1 seconds. That's territory occupied by legendary names like Lamborghini, Ferrari, and McLaren. Imagine the sensation. Instant, silent, relentless acceleration pinning you to your seat, all without a single drop of gasoline. The top speed is projected to be 155 miles per hour. While some supercars go faster, the Polestar 6 is about delivering that thrill in a usable real-world package. It's about that explosive launch from a stoplight and the immediate surge of power out of a corner. The heart of any EV is its battery and electrical system. The Polestar 6 will feature an advanced 800-volt architecture. This is the same kind of tech you'll find in the Porsche Taycan and the Polestar 5 sedan. What does this mean for the driver? First, incredibly fast charging. Polestar is targeting the ability to go from 10 to 80% charge in well under 20 minutes on a compatible DC fast charger. This drastically reduces downtime on long road trips. Second, this high-voltage system allows for more efficient power delivery and better thermal management, which is crucial for sustained high-performance driving. You can push the car hard without worrying about overheating or significant power loss. As for range, Polestar is aiming for over 300 miles on a full charge. That's more than enough for a weekend getaway or a spirited drive through your favorite mountain roads. Now, let's talk about the design, because this car is a work of art. The Polestar 6 inherits its clean, minimalist, and futuristic look directly from the 02 concept. It has a low, wide stance, short overhangs, and a long wheelbase, giving it classic Roadster proportions but with a modern twist. The design language is pure Scandinavian modernism. Think sharp creases, smooth surfaces, and a focus on aerodynamics. The front features the signature Polestar Thor's Hammer daytime running lights, but evolved into a split design that gives the car a unique and aggressive face. The body panels flow seamlessly, creating a cohesive and sculptural form. One of the most striking features is the integrated aerodynamics. Ducts in the wheel, arches and aero blades on the sides aren't just for show. They channel air smoothly around the car to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. It's a perfect blend of form and function. And, of course, there's the roof. The Polestar 6 is a true hardtop convertible. With the touch of a button, the metal roof elegantly folds away, transforming the car from a sleek coupe into a breathtaking open-air roadster. It's the best of both worlds, the security and quietness of a coupe with the exhilarating freedom of a convertible. Step inside, and the minimalist philosophy continues. The interior of the Polestar 6 is a masterclass in clean, driver-focused design. You won't find a cluttered dashboard with 1,000 buttons. Instead, your attention is drawn to a large, portrait-oriented central touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, from navigation and media to climate control. This is paired with a smaller digital display behind the steering wheel that provides essential driving information like speed, range, and power output. The materials are where Polestar truly shines. The company is heavily focused on sustainability. The interior will feature innovative materials like a woven flax composite for trim pieces, which is lightweight, strong, and has a lower environmental impact than traditional carbon fiber. The seat upholstery will likely use advanced recycled textiles. It's a cabin that feels premium and luxurious, but also responsible and forward-thinking. It's a new definition of luxury, one that isn't just about leather and wood, but about smart, sustainable, and beautifully crafted materials. But what about the driving experience? Power and design are nothing without a chassis to back it up. The bonded aluminum platform I mentioned earlier is the key. Bonding aluminum sections together, a technique borrowed from the aerospace and low-volume supercar industry, creates a chassis that is incredibly light and stiff. This rigidity is the foundation for exceptional handling. It allows the suspension to do its job properly, keeping the tires firmly planted on the road and providing the driver with precise, communicative feedback. You'll feel connected to the road in a way that's rare in modern cars, let alone electric ones. We expect the Polestar 6 to feature adaptive dampers, torque vectoring, and multiple drive modes. This will allow the driver to tailor the car's behavior to their preference, whether they want a comfortable cruiser for a long journey or a sharp, aggressive track weapon for a day at the circuit. Polestar's engineers, many of whom have experience with brands like Lotus and McLaren, know a thing or two about making a car handle beautifully. They understand the nuances of steering feel, brake response, and chassis balance. The Polestar 6 isn't just being engineered to be fast in a straight line. It's being engineered to be a true driver's car. One of the wildest features of the O2 concept was an integrated cinematic drone that could launch from the rear of the car to film your drive. While Polestar hasn't officially confirmed if this will make it to the production 6, the mere idea shows the kind of innovative, outside-the-box thinking that defines this brand. Even if the drone doesn't make the final cut, it signals that Polestar is willing to push boundaries and explore new ways to enhance the driving experience. So, who is this car for? It's S for the person who loves the thrill of a supercar but wants to embrace the future of mobility. It's for the design aficionado who appreciates clean, minimalist aesthetics. It's for the tech enthusiast who wants the latest in EV architecture and in-car systems. But most of all, it's for the driving purist who craves that visceral connection to the road. Whether it's accompanied by the roar of an engine or the silent immense surge of electric power, the 2026 Polestar 6 is poised to be a landmark vehicle. It challenges the very definition of a supercar. It proves that electric vehicles can be more than just sensible commuters. They can be objects of desire, machines that stir the soul. With its jaw-dropping performance, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology, the Polestar 6 isn't just aiming to compete with electric rivals. It's putting the entire supercar establishment on notice. The silent slayer is coming, and the world of high performance may never be the same. What do you think? Is the Polestar 6 the future of the supercar? Can it truly take on the legends from Italy and Germany? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the future of performance, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars on the planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.